Racy. Well, this is what over 2 inches of rain in like an hour looks like. It's moist, very moist. Our back pasture is a lake. See that? Oh, right there. That's a lake, which means that the floodgates are probably out. How's it looking?
Well,
Ooh.
you just made it freeze. That's not good right there. There's a floodgate there.
There's enough.
Sophia, get your swimming suit on.
Well,
Where is it?
here's a view of the whole bottom.
What's that?
Wow.
It
Is that
looks
the
like
lake?
a river.
Oh no.
That's our back pasture.
No, is that like a
Can I
lake?
see?
Hold on. I mean, the floodgates was in there. Probably not anymore.
I don't think I've ever seen that much water in the back there.
I've never seen that much water back there because that's like a 20-foot bank there.
Soybeans.
Yeah, they'll be all right if they're still there.
Turn the YouTube here. I hope the cattle aren't back there.
Hopefully they're at the buildings. I've seen some of Keeler's and some of Tommy's. Yeah, there's our floodgate. Well, one of two we're responsible for. It's there yet. Some of it. There's
I'm sure
our,
they could swim right over if they wanted.
those are wire panels. Well, you see the turbulence right there? It's because there's a corner there. The good news is that not all of the fence is gone yet. That's not good. That's our dirt washing away. When you get 2.5 inches of rain at once. Oh, I didn't even think about that fence.
You gotta go find the cows. Make sure they're not gonna escape.
That's a lake.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Well, there'll be plenty more water.
Huh?
There'll be plenty more water in the back pasture.
Oh. Can we play in the water?
Probably.
Yay! Let's go. Go hold on to Jack.
Are you gonna get stuck on this adventure?
I don't know. I'm just trying to cut them off before they get back there.
No, just make sure Jack does not fly out.
Mom!
We wanted to go to the beach for the day.
Yeah, I want to put them away.
Hey, we said stay. Stay, stay.
Skip!
I don't think
Skip!
Screaming.
Skip!
Here, girls. Yep.
Come on, Betty. Come on. Never seen it.
Freaking insane.
Good.
Holy
Yep. Yep.
Oh, girls. Of course. Come on, Tess.
Yep. Yep.
Oh.
Then. Yep. Sophia, count them. Count them.
If we just shut that red gate, they'll theoretically be
Except for that large amount of water that's running down.
going back the rapids. Oh my goodness.
Good. Yep. Good. Good. Go.
You gonna put your Crocs on?
There's no time for Crocs.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I count 18, but then we had 2 up front, right? Well, that's a plus.
Debating whether I should cut that wire loose before it rips the whole fence off. Hold on.
What's that, honey? So we get some of this grass out of here. The logs. Checkers. Is this all from today? Or was there?
No, this is all living. Grab that stick.
Am I gonna wash away? I'm glad to see you picked the river to walk in.
Whoa,
Yeah,
it's really cool.
yeah. You guys want to go check it out?
It's very slippery.
Yep. Very careful.
Because you do not get
You want me to hold your hand?
like it. Yeah. Mommy, I'm not going to get stuck when I mud.
I'm not sure those were the best shoes.
Can I go by Daddy?
Yeah.
Can I go by Daddy? Can I go by Daddy? Oh my God. Mommy.
Yes, you can go by Daddy.
Another time this is like in that little spot and I jumped it.
Tommy.
Tommy. Who was home sleeping?
At least someone's having fun.
I'm sure they'll be just as excited to help put the floodgates back in
I feel like you're not doing that today.
in 3 days.
Whoa.
Whoa.
My hip.
I see your face.
Whoa.
Is this? Am I going to get water in my boots?
Mommy, you need to. And you have your shoes on? Baby, have your shoes on? Yeah.
I didn't need food anyways. You hang out here. We'll be back for you. I'm coming.
Mommy, deep in
Oh my God. It's like more slippery.
No.
No, it's not.
Look at. Mommy, get up.
Hey, the fence are still there.
Whoa.
In the rapids. Whoa. I don't think there's any pokies right here. Hello.
Oh, my hand.
Oh.
Deep in here.
Oh, poor beans.
No. Like that.
I think they're rude.
Keep going. What happened?
Beans were thirsty.
No. Jack gets to walk and sit on the
The ones that are underwater aren't going to take any hurt. It's the ones
Mommy,
that are
mine not
buried in
in
trash
I need one.
now going to be hurt.
Oh,
Why is it so much water?
That's where all the water was open. So in all reality, if those are still under there and haven't been taken away, they'll be fine. Those packed here, they're done.
Okay, which way are we going now, Dad?
is this leftover fodder or is it manure that we spread?
No, that's just stalks. We no-till these.
Oh.
Dad, where are we going now?
That way.
Dad, which way are we going?
Who wants my sack?
Beavers.
Come, push right down.
Do a plunge and show them how deep this is.
Wait, I
Maybe if you had a rope and I wasn't scared about going on an adventure. Honestly though, if we had an inflatable right now, I might take a little tubing ride.
You're ripping.
I wonder how far you'd get.
Back up. It drops off right there. That's really deep.
my stick went right there.
Yeah. Right where your other stick is super deep. Grace, I wouldn't advise that.
Oh! That was Joe sticky through.
Yeah,
That's
I'm almost
current.
gonna fall.
That's why you have to be very careful.
I'm stabbing this in so I don't have to slide.
Current too strong? Pull on Sophia's toes.
Stinky toes! Alright, that is deep.
I found that fly. Sophia, I know where a fly is.
No. It's in my face. No.
Where you going? He's leaving us! They don't even care. They don't even care! I care. Ooh. Ooh. So anyways, if a washing machine company or maybe extra strength detergent wants to sponsor our next video, we're here. All right, come on, crazies.
I'm walking up. The kids walk up.
Dirty. You know, people pay good money for facials like yours. So anyways, that's what was it, 2 inches of rain in like an hour?
Yeah.
That's what that looks like. We'll wait a couple days, see status of the floodgates.
I can tell you the status.
Anyways, cheers. We're gonna get chores done. I'm gonna go brush out the back of the barn because we all know that's very flooded, I'm sure. Although we had a nice, it's like you know in the barns where they have the water flushers for the manure?
Yeah.
That's basically what we had. Except it was, hold on, huh? Oh. Okay, so that part was nice and cleaned out nice and good.
I had this all nice and cleaned up today. Because it wasn't supposed to rain anymore. Like 30-40% chance.
Well, anyways, at least Petunia didn't decide to have babies today. Got that going for us.